Update after wearing the Air Max Terrascape 90s for over a month. These trainers are sick. Guys, if you like sneaker reviews and you want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my sneaker reviews. I've got some sick ones coming up. I might buy a pair of Jordan 3s in the near future. Also, I got a collection video coming up very, very soon. Now, when I first got these, if you didn't watch my sneaker review for the Terrascape 90s, you would have noticed that I had a bit of a problem with this part of the shoe. Now, for some reason, it was super hard when I got them, and I looked into it a bit more, and it's because these trainers are made of recycled materials, which is weird, right? When you buy a new pair of shoes, you want the best quality, especially when you pay 145 quid for a pair of shoes, which is what I paid. When I first tried these on, they were super hard and they were a bit uncomfortable, and I was a bit like, oh man, have I just wasted 145 quid? Should I take them back? I was like, nah, they're a sick shoe, they look nice, and I'm gonna keep it going. I'm going to wear these, and I'm going to wear them and wear them and wear them until I can't wear them no more. I'm going to keep wearing them until the point where my feet can't take it no more, and that didn't happen. Some really, really surprising results that I got, alright? So, looks on these trainers I loved, alright? First up, the look of the trainer, the look of the kick, the check, everything, very happy. I love that crater foam bit at the back. I love that it's see-through at the bottom, really cool. The texture of the shoe is a bit weird for an Air Max 90. It's a little bit strange. The price of this shoe is £145 in the UK for retail. It's pretty decent, man. I would say definitely worth the money after time breaking them in. And if this was your first Air Max 90 and you felt it, you'd be like, oh, that's weird. It's not an Air Max 90 quality. If I was to compare the Air Max 90 Terrascape to just a general Air Max 90 for comfort, mate, there's no comparison. I mean, which one would you choose? You like them? There's no comparison as to which one I would choose. It'd be this one when it comes to comfort. But when it comes to looks, it'd be this one. Weird, right? Getting to the point. When you put your foot in, it doesn't feel as comfortable as a normal Air Max 90. But over time, they've worn a bit. So if I give you some close-ups, the Nike tick's a little bit dirty. I don't know how clear you can see that. They're a little bit dirty on the bottom, but over time, they've got more comfortable, which is what I was aiming for. I wanted to get more comfortable. I wanted to enjoy them a bit more. If I'm going to rate them out of 10, I'll give them like a 7 out of 10. They're not bad. I wear them every day now to work. No issues. Not having any troubles with sore feet or anything like that now. The hard bit originally has broken in. The only thing I will say, I've got quite narrow feet, and I think if you had a wider foot, these might be better. But on my right foot, this label digs into my foot still. That's the only thing that's kind of still a little bit of like, it annoys me a little bit. Just on there. The label's super hard. Let me show you the difference, right? It's a thin label, right? Very thin label. And then you get a normal Air Max 90, and it's soft and spongy, so it doesn't bother your feet. But this is super hard. I don't know why, and for some reason it just won't break in no matter what. But I've been able to tighten them now, which is nice. Still can see the Nike tick on the front and the Terrascape. That's one of my favourite parts. I love the labels on shoes. But yeah, I think overall I'm quite happy with them now. I've not got any more issues with them. They're not bugging me at all. I can walk around them, I can run in them. I can do whatever I want to do daily, and they're not annoying me. Don't get me wrong, I wouldn't go walking around the town centre for like 5 hours in them, but for a trip to a shop or like walk down a park or whatever you would do on your general day, go to the gym in them, you could wear them to the gym, not a problem. I don't know if anyone else has bought these, and if you have had issues with these, let me know, because I'd like to know if you've had any issues like that as well. But yeah, 7 out of 10 from me. I'm very happy with the way they've turned out. I'm glad I was persistent with them. So if you ever get a hard trainer, don't be disappointed. Just keep wearing them. Thinner socks are better for these, as a tip for anyone buying them. If you try and wear thick socks straight away, it'll make your feet hurt. If you've got narrow feet, you'll still get the same effects. They'll still hurt. I'm pretty happy. They look still nice. The only thing is, obviously, the Nike tick's getting a bit dirty, but I got some whitener for that, baby. I'll be able to get them cleaned right up. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the sneaker. I was persistent with them. I wore the hell out of them, and they started to become nice. They started to become comfortable. It might not be the best ever Nike Air Max 90, but trust me, be persistent with them, and they'll be good. And start enjoying them, like I do, every day. They're a good sneaker. Guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next update video, which is coming pretty soon. Also, the collection video, my sneaker collection video is coming, hopefully by the end of the week. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Thank you for watching.